Iya,
This one is.
akselerasi ya. Gas.
Wait, this one is 6.
Iya, iya.
Nah, yang lain mana?
Who is that? Aldino cannot come because he is not feeling well. And Rakan is permitting because his father is hospitalized, I guess. And then, Maya, Afan, and are still on the way. On the way to? From meeting. Wait. From where? Oh, I see. So they are still on the way, and they, what we call that? Okay, still on the way. So we have 5 person here yang sudah tahu keterangannya ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 added with, oh yes, Maruf, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Oh, what about Zul, our captain? Okay. Okay. Wait, where is it again? Oh, this one. Is Zul still in a meeting or no? Okay, this is it. We cannot start without Zul, right? Okay then.
Before we start our class, let's pray to our God. Begin.
Okay, thank you, Zul. Okay, 5 persons are not here. 3 persons are on the way, and 2 persons cannot come because of their what we call that. Okay, so Zul, how are you today? Are you good? And the others also, right? Ramdhani, right? Your name is Ramdhani, right? Are you Ilham, right? No. Wait, yes. Ilham is not from this class. Are you from this class? Oh, Maruf. Oh, no. Roy Peak. Okay. Ukas, Genta, and then Zul, Intan, and then Demi. And Iza. Iza is from this class. Izan is one of the 3. I mean, like the one who are still on the way.
Yep.
Oh, I see. Did you go? I mean, like. You are coming from the outside, but you are from there. How come? The gate is there. Oh, from there. Oh, from this one. What is pintu samping in English? From the this one, right? Dari jalan samping ya? Oh, I see. Okay, alright then. So, Iza, right? Ramdhani, Ilham, Ukas. Okay. Oh yes. Okay. Okay, nice. I have learned how to turn on it. And then what next? Can you just help me, please? Okay. All right, so Ilham, what is our last activity about? What is the topic and the activity, I guess? Sorry? From? The what we call that, the second part, like how we encourage participant, like how we invite someone's opinions, right? And if I'm not mistaken, bekas di sini kemarin ya, malam tadi ya. Oke. Okay. The second one, I guess. Okay, nice. Oh, okay then. Wait. Where is it? Where is it? It's supposed to be here, actually. Okay, yes. What's wrong? I think it's enough. I guess. Okay. Thank you, Isa. Okay. Is that Maya? Welcome back. It's been ages, I guess. We don't see each other, right? You know what is it's been ages? Yeah, it's something like it's been a long time. Bukan sangat tua. Yes. It's something like it's been a long time. What did I say? It's been ages, I guess, right? Can you see that? It's something like long time no see, right? Am I? If I'm not mistaken, it's like 2 weeks ago. I didn't see your present, I guess. Because the last one, Maya was sick, right?
Yes.
So? So Maya, how's life treat you? How's life treat you? What is treat, by the way? Memperlakukan. Yes. It's good, right? It's just so-so. Have you ever heard about this one, actually? Yes, biasa aja ya. Not really bad, but not really good. And it's, yeah, but it's a so-so. It's only widely used in UK, right? I think the Australians and the American are not usual to use that. So wait, Iza, Maya, and then we have, oh yes, Afan, the one who has quite long hair. No, okay. All right then. Like what Ilham said, that our last activity is about this one, right? No, this one. Wait. This one. No, how inviting attendees to participate, right? And we have practiced about this one, right? And now we are coming to the last part, right? Do you still have your own script from the first and the second one? Maruf. Yes, welcome back again, Afan. Am I right? Afan, right? Not Alan. Yeah. Okay, nice. All right then. Okay. So tonight's agenda, we are coming to learn how to what we call this, how to learn this one, part 5 and part 6, summarizing and concluding. Di practice 2 tuh sebagian sudah ada yang bahkan closing ya. Padahal kan harusnya ini ya, skripnya itu baru sampai how we invite someone's this one, right? Okay, but it's okay. Okay, tonight's agenda, we are going to learn part 5 and part 6, and after that, we are going to review our lesson from part 1 to 6 from Kahoot, right? Thank you. For your information, we have the king of Kahoot, by the way. This one. You know, this is the king of Kahoot. Why I say that this one is king of Kahoot? Because he has got the, what we call that? The voucher, right? Oh, 4 times in a row. So Ma'ruf wins the Kahoot 4 times in a row. Should we give him applause? Yes, the second agenda is Kahoot, and then the last one is we are trying to make a script for this practice, right? Kita udah mulai abis ini praktek besarnya ya, yang langsung berenam. Okay. So do you have any questions before we go? Yes. I think as long as Ma'ruf is still here, maybe he will share us some tips how to win a Kahoot like 4 times in a row. Do you want to get some tips? Because you know what? He has got this one. Do you know the reward, right? Do you want to know the reward of him? This one. He got the voucher. I don't know. It's a that one. It's a watching one. No. Ticket watch. Oh, so you can redeem it.
I can redeem it, but I haven't redeemed it.
Okay, you can read. All right, so everybody, do you want to have some tips how we can win the Kahoot 4 times in a row? Be fast, yes. Iya, maksudnya fast ya. Cuma cara fastnya gimana?
Asal cepat tapi tetap salah.
Nah,
Just read the mind idea. Read how to work.
for example, if we are doing the first question, which phrases is the most appropriate to start a formal meetings?
The phrase must appropriate and formal meeting.
Oh wow. Jadi nggak usah dibaca semua ya, cuman dibaca
Just find the keyword.
the keyword. Okay. Do you know what is keyword, Ramdhani? Kata kunci. Artinya kata yang mengantarkan kita kepada langsung ke jawabannya. The keyword from the first sentence is, the first question is
Most appropriate.
Oke, most appropriate. Biasanya letaknya di bagian-bagian akhir ya. Jadi ketika ada soal langsung lihat di bagian akhirnya aja. And then the options, right? Okay, thank you very much. Do you have another one?
Just do the sample answer.
Okay, just do the same tips for the next questions. All right. Okay. Okay, that's our second agenda, by the way. This is our first agenda. If I'm not mistaken, this is our last one, right? Part 4. Am I right? Yes, how to invite the attendees to participate. And now, still with your script. Tapi yang part 5 sama 6 kita nggak bakalan praktek sendiri ya. Langsung ke praktek besar ya. Oke. Maya, did you miss this kind of materials like part 3 and part 4? Right? Maybe you can read by yourself later on, right? When you have this one. Have you got this kind of materials? Not yet. Part 5 udah belum? Yang terakhir tuh sampai part 4 atau udah sampai part 6? Yang ini ya? Oh, baru sampai yang part 4 berarti ya, encourage. Okay, so you haven't got this one, right? Part 5 and 6. Then I'm gonna send it to you, like to your WhatsApp. Okay, wait. This one, right? Just a little bit here. Okay. Oh iya, 1-2. Nah, jangan lupa nanti di Kahootnya itu kita dari part 1 ya, soal-soalnya. Okay, so before we come to part 5, what is part 1 about? It's about how we welcome the attendees, right? Is it? Part 1? Okay. Okay, like if I could have your attention please, and then the second part is about introducing the topic, right? And then outlining the agenda. Part 3 is getting through the agenda, and then inviting the attendees. And part 5 is dealing with distractions and staying on the topics. So what is the distraction, by the way, in bahasa? Gangguan, very good. In this kind of context, what kind of gangguan? Biasanya apa? Mengalihkan apa? Kok pengalihan isu ya? Bisa pengalihan isu. Misalnya kita meetingnya tentang A ya, terus ada pengalihan isu ke topik B gitu.
Betul.
Nah, maksudnya out of the topic. Is that what you mean? Then when you find someone who talks about out of the topic, then you can use this phrase, right? Okay. Can you see that? Like, let's not get too far off the topic here. Okay. Again, this is not my own phrases, but it's come from the native ya. Jadi ini emang agak sulit, tapi emang inilah yang digunakan oleh orang native kalau ada seseorang yang out of the topic. So Ramdhani, can you read that for us, please? Let's not
get too far off topic.
Yes, nice. Pronunciation sudah oke ya. And then tinggal apanya ya? Okay. So you can also use the second one, by the way. Afan. No. Afan, right? Not Alan. Okay. Can you read the second ballot? We can discuss.
We can discuss that at the end if you feel it's important.
Okay. We can discuss that at the end if you feel it's important. Is that, I mean, like, what makes it different with the first ballot? We can discuss that at the end of your, if you feel it's important. Apa ya bedanya?
Ngasih kesempatan
We can
buat
Kalau yang pertama kan emang langsung, kayak kamu tuh kurang relevan gitu ya. So we can say this one. Let's not get too far. Nah, yes. The second ballot is more polite. Okay. Walaupun lebih panjang ya. We can discuss that at the end if you feel it's important. And the second ballot, the third ballot. Ilham, can you read that for us?
I don't think that's relevant to today's discussion.
Okay, I don't think